Well, we're about to wrap it and head upstream, go up where the Hatchery Creek is and catch a few up there. Seagulls are still working that over there where the sluice gate's coming up. And you can see how it's got the wall completely underwater. If you ever come here, don't ever step on that wet part. It can be as slick as glass. Seen two people fall off, and here and one broke a leg. What a pretty day. Pretty day out on Cumberland River. It's about 65 degrees and hot. Trying to catch some monsters. There's been trout out of here. Brown trout to 22 pounds, rainbows to 14. There's been 20-pound walleye caught this week. 50-pound stripers right in front of you here. It's quite a place.